Yeah, mambo vipi, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be talking about tutaongelea juu nini? Tunaongelea juu kuchanganikiwa ndio hiyo. We are talking about the requirements for a US passport. We've talked already two previous video about how to set or schedule appointment, and then the other video we've talked about how to fill now the form, the DS11. Now we're gonna be talking about the requirements, yani the instructions when you're bringing this form, okay, or when you're filling this form, ama namna gani. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Kama ni ya maana, don't just subscribe because you're forced. Kama ni ya maana, subscribe, ama vipi? So this form, as I've told you already in previous videos, inaitwa form DS11, okay. Every form in America has a code, na hivyo ndo zinajulikana. Hata barabara za huku zina majina, zina nambari. Kuna I5, kuna sijui gani, sijui kuna gani, sijui kuna hakuna. Ukiona ile gate ya black, ukienda ukifika Karomaindo, ukifika Maimahio, hakuna hiyo. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to apply for your US passport, and I've said and I will insist, once you've attained your citizenship, you have your certificate of naturalization, don't stay for too long until unapata na mkasa ndio unaanza kukimbishana, hey passport, hey passport. Ulikuwa unafanya nini? Utaambia nini watu? Ukipata citizenship, chapa, fanya upesi, haraka upesi, gonga chuma kingali moto, kunja mti ungali mbichi, mkunje samaki angali mbichi. Wacha nimufunze Kiswahili kidogo. So ladies and gentlemen, and by the way, thank you so much for guys who watch Mkenya Marekani. Mazee napatananga nao, mama, young people, children, hey, who are watching us. Mazee, big up. I'll now be saying names, okay? I'll be saying names of people who have been supporting us. Yani napatana, Mkenya Marekani, let's take a picture, let's take a selfie. So I'll be taking those selfie and posting them here. So ni show support to our people mazee. Big up, big up, big up. Thank you. Lakini wengine wataki kuonekana. Unajua wengine wako kuambia watu wameenda ngambo. Sasa msione niko na makosa sana. Kuna wengine wataki kuonekana. Yeah, getting content in America is hard. It's not like Kenya. Kenya unapata mama mboga pale nje unampiga content na hata kusumbua. Hapa we have rights. Other people don't want to be seen because everybody is in America in different ways. Yeah, which will not mention here. So, leo tunaenda kuangalia zile instructions ama requirements za kupata passport, na hii ndio karatasi hiyo ya passport. Mwangaza uko mwingi sana, so hata hii karatasi ionekani unless I change the camera setting, but since I'm the producer, I'm the executive producer, this is the paper, it's a yellow. Kama ile karatasi tulikuwa unafanyanga ya chemistry paper 2, hiyo hata sikuwa nafikia. Sikuwa nafikia bwana. Hey! Haya, so let's go direct to some of the requirements here. Well, let's see. Okay? So this is the application, this is the DS form that is called DS111, DS11. Unajua tumezoea DS160, DS260, hizo makaratasi zote. So this is number one is, I'll just go very fast. Section of eligibility. Hapo ni unaangalia, I'm applying for my first US citizenship. I'm a passport. I am under the age of 16. My previous passport was either issued under age of, hey brother, we naongea mbio mpaka wacha nimeze tama la maji ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. So yeah, as we move on swiftly. So, and then the next thing, I'll just go faster. Section B is steps to apply for a US passport. Complete this form, which we have done. Attach one colored photograph, which I've told you it's good to just take it ukifika pale kwenye poster. Yeah, you'll have to book that appointment. Watch my previous video. I'll pin all those videos up here. And then you can track your process now. After 3 days, you can track your passport. Okay? Okay, hii section pia nimeelezea tukijaza ile form, name you start with last, first, middle, then date of birth una start na month, day, and then una Leo nakimbia sana, naongea mbio sana because ni saa 6 zikielekea saa 7 nikirekodi video. Nataka kwenda kulala bana. So, and then social security number, yeah, blah blah blah. I'm going fast because we've already filled this form. So ndio nataka tu kuonesha the requirements very fast and then tuone vile inakuwa. Okay? And then so this is now what you need, what you require to apply this US passport. Okay? Proof of citizenship. Number one, you must attain citizenship first. Hiyo sasa, kama sasa sisi wote immigrants wote tunakuwa tumepata kitu inaitwa certificate ama certificate of naturalization, ni kama birth certificate ya huku America. Ukikuwa na hiyo inakuwezesha kupata passport. Okay, so application born in the United States. Kuna tofauti kama umezaliwa ndani ya America, you just need your birth certificate. Kama umezaliwa nje ya America, you need your certificate of naturalization. Na since naongelea watu wenye wamekuja kama sisi wa America, naelewa wanafaa kuwa najua wanafaa kupataje cheti chao. Sisi ndio wageni. Okay, so na njia ni nyingi za kuclaim citizenship. You can file asylum, you can win green card, you can win another green card in form of employment. You can be married to be a citizen. You can be gain citizenship also by those extremes, a sportsman or musician, talented people. There are many ways to become a green card holder or a permanent resident here in America. I've talked about all those ways here on my platform. Okay, so and then application, proof of parental for those who are under the age of 16. You need proof of parental. Sasa kama mtoto wenyu mdogo ana apply, like I remember, let me as I talk about children, my daughter was born in Kenya and she acquired a birth certificate born outside America. Because watu wanasemanga ati ukipata mtoto nje ya America na wewe ni citizen, hata kuwa citizen, my friend. In fact, I'll tell you this today. The passport, when we applied the passport of America and the passport of Kenya for my daughter, she got the American passport and birth certificate before birth certificate and Kenyan passport. Imagine. She got those faster, quicker than the Kenyans ones. Unajua? So, hata ukizalia mtoto nje ya America, as long as you're a citizen, they are entitled to become a citizen. Yeah? Najua hiyo ndio ilileta mushkil. Wakati Barack Obama alikuwa anasimama, they used to tease him to provide the documentation that he was born here. Okay? So moving, that was beside the point. Okay? So, but if you get your child outside America, as long as you're a citizen, do not worry. As long as one parent is a citizen, you will still get the citizenship. Okay? So moving on swiftly. Okay? Okay, and then section how to submit this form. This form is, I've already shown you this. You just choose a location of USPS posta, manake posta. You choose, there's two ways to choose a location. You choose a location or by date. You go and choose a date, then you will see which location is available. Or you just go ahead and go to choose the location. Then you go with the dates available in that location. Nice and easy. Hakuna complication hapa. Okay, and then I think we are done. I think this is sasa ni mambo za Privacy Act, paperwork, okay? So, and then tunaingia kwenye hiyo form ambayo tushajaza. Otherwise, unaona hiyo kitu imekuja complete very very easily. Tumemaliza hiyo show mara moja. So paper 2 years ya chemistry tumemaliza very fast. Tumemaliza hiyo paper 2. Those were the requirements of getting a US passport. Tumefanya video ya kwanza to schedule your appointment, video ya pili to fill the DS 11 form. I've just done it completely hapa hivi. Yeah? Sasa utaona mtu you can ask questions, but Uh, mi niko hapa kuwasaidia mazee, niko hapa kuwasaidia. So yeah, utauliza swali kwenye comment section. Kama umejaza yako, niambie how the process was, alafu tuendelee kuchanuana mazee. Ile the generation that used to hide information went, my friend. That generation went. Our generation is for sharing information. Heri you share information kuliko unakana information then watu wenye uko nao wanakufa na umaskini ama wanakufa na lack. Information is power. If you empower the people, they get more information, they help themselves, they help their relatives, unakuwa hata na freedom, because sasa usipowasaidia kila mtu atakuwa kwako mbeko. My friend, it's better you help these people, they stand by their own feet and then they move forward. Teach them how to fish. That's how it goes. Okay? Ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. Big up to everybody who supports Mkenya Marekani, especially here in the America, Kenya, Uganda, everywhere. Thank you so much for always supporting, standing by us. Ama namna gani? You can always support us by not just subscribing and sharing, but you can support tippers pale ndani ya Cash App. My Cash App handle is there. Yeah, and yeah, thank you so much. You can also become a member of Mkenya Marekani by just paying a small amount every year. If you press the button, join, you'll see what you need to do. So otherwise, from my desk, yeah, ukiwa na swali, you want promotion, business promotion, streaming, kwa wedding, anything, talk to us. We do everything hapa ndani ya Mkenya Marekani, au vipi? Keep it locked. Yes.